Thank you, TCBU team and Mr. Gopal Krishna for having me here on the panel. I can see there are some 40 odd people joined us, watching us. I welcome them all. Today I'm going to talk about a topic building a sustainable and resilient food chain. So before that, I will just talk about Carrier Transicold. Carrier Transicold is one of the business vertical of Carrier Corporation, where we handle a reefer transportation business. It includes road transport, sea transport, and the perishable handling arrangement at airports also. So there is a saying which is a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. So this is applicable to cold chain as well. We know cold chain has a refrigeration at various points, and at each point refrigeration is different and meeting the operations requirement. So, so we'll just talk about cold chain and what are the risks of having deficiencies in cold chain. So what is cold chain? So we know the process starts at a place where food gets processed. It can be a food factory, it can be at farm level, it can be at slaughterhouse. The where food gets processed and gets distributed for retailers. So from processing to distribution, there is a transport refrigeration. Process food can originate at any part of the country and it need to be distributed at other corner of the country. So it is done through transport refrigeration and different kind of refrigeration solution are there with us to transport. Then food after distribution, it gets transported to retailing point where we have cabinets, modular cold room, wherein the food gets displayed and customer can go and pick and choose as per his requirement. And further get transferred to end user at the point of consumption. So there is again a different transport refrigeration solution for the last mile delivery. So what we expect out of connected cold chain? So when we say a connected cold chain, the aim is primarily aim is to reduce food and food loss and uh, loss to medicine. So that is our primary motive to have a cold chain. Then comes this optimization of supply chain logistics. See, optimization is as important as safe food because what happens is there are solutions available in market. For example, there is a refrigerant system for negative application and customers are using it for positive. So there is no harm in it. The machine will work, but only thing is there's better optimized solution available for chiller application. So customer has to decide what is the application, what is the requirement. Based on that, he has to choose a solution. Solutions are available. Next is increase resilience to disruption. So our solution, what we are offering in market, should meet a resilience to disruption. That means every stage have got its own challenges. You know, I met a customer who says he's following a cold chain. When I met him, I saw one small cold room at one corner of the warehouse, and there was a docking area wherein the product getting loaded. The distance between cold room to docking area was again a decent uh, meters. So I was just talking to customer. You when you say you have a cold chain, how come you have that breakage? How you manage? So there was a submission from customers stating that we have trolleys, distance is too less, so like that. So these are the kind of disruption in cold chain which needs to be taken care. And I mean there are challenges also, but our solution should handle that. And nothing less, the solution what we are providing should be sustainable, a green solution, nature friendly. So we have got end-to-end supply chain visibility, controls, and intelligence. So our government has made a commitment to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2070. And we have got LTLEDs, which is long-term low emission development strategy. So there's a report which says we are 17% of world population and contribute to 5% of total emission. which is not bad and which is better than other developed countries where emissions are more than ours. And also, in order to meet our deadline of net zero by 2070, we need to reduce 45% of human caused carbon emission by 2030. So this is as per some report. So as a carrier, we have got our ESG goal. Uh, so as per that, we are targeting to achieve net zero across our all operations and to reduce customer carbon footprints by more than 1 gigaton. So we are committed towards our planet, our people, our community, which matters to us most. So this is a circle which shows how we are trying to decarbonize cold chain. See, first comes is energy efficiency, which is prime. Efficiency is prime mode, and we are finding out various alternative fuel options, wherein electric is one out of those. And we have got electric solutions globally, and we have got engineless units also, wherein diesel consumption is not there. And keeping a view on that, we are working towards low global warming potential refrigerant for India. Like we have got the R452 refrigerant which we are using in India. There are some challenges on availability, but I'm sure businesses are working uh, to to handle that challenge. Then we have worked on noise reduction for our units. Our units are are having silent kits, acoustic done, and we have less moving parts in our unit, which help us to reduce noise. And the prime motive for all this is to reduce food loss and waste. And next comes is the remote monitoring and controlling of the solution. And we have a solution for that also. We'll come to that in next slide. So on left hand side of the slide, we have a solution which is application based. For India, we understand there is big demand of application coming up in dairy segment, and there are some frozen food application also. So the solution which we have for Indian market, this is a customized solution wherein we have very basic, simple design CityMax series, which can be directly coupled with vehicle engine. It is very basic and easy to handle. It is as simple as our car AC. Driver just have to set a temperature required and it will turn on. There is no fuel required additionally for to run this unit. It is all vehicle driven. And center one is our new energy efficient unit, which is Supra A series. This series is more efficient, have got less refrigerant charge, can adjust itself to various RPMs as per the load requirement, and this have got a low moving part as well to reduce wear and tear. And right side is the IoT system. What we have, we call it as linked fleet, wherein we have put sensors to our unit, and we can talk to literally our unit, and literally our unit respond to us in case of any alert, in case of any issue with the unit, it gets back to the user. We can operate this unit sitting at the comfort of our office also. So coming to digital platform, which we call it as linked platform. So this, I have already discussed about this. This maximize the visibility of unit operating anywhere, anytime, and it helps with the fuel saving because this links platform generate lot much of data on which a user can work upon, can find out if unit is running at its efficiency or there is some service levels required. So at the end of the day, fuel saving and that lead to less carbon emission, and which ultimately help us to meet sustainability goals. So Link works on IoT-based sensors, and it has got many features like you can share your login password with the end user, wherein the trick details can be looked into, and also it provides end-to-end visibility and traceability. Customer can have visibility of the temperature at the food or reefer truck, and he can also command uh, this machine to run at different temperatures requirements. And also, I mean, these are the features what we have mentioned here: reduce product loss, increase cold chain uptime, fastest route models, reduce logistic costs. So these are just few of the benefits of big platform we have. Thanks. This is all from my side.